Hello, my name is Austin Egger, and I'm an automation engineer at BMG. The main thing that we've been using for this product is the XPlanar system, which honestly has a lot more pros instead of a regular conveyor system. And so just the ability to change the velocities of the dynamics of the movers, different payloads, being able to tune it for whatever system it may be, the ease of maintenance and the ease of being able to adjust tracks, station positions, anything like that. Beckhoff's XPlanar system has helped us a lot with accuracy with the mover positioning, speed, being able to adjust mover dynamics based on different payloads, and ease of being able to adjust the tracks in the systems. Using EtherCAT instead of Ethernet or Profibus, Profinet has honestly been a huge advantage. Being able to get those mover dynamic information pretty much immediately has helped us a lot in being able to keep on track of what's happening with each mover. The support that we have received from Beckhoff has been fantastic. They've always helped us through any difficult situations we may have encountered. Using Beckhoff and the XPlanar system, I think it really is the future of way we start to use conveyor systems. Instead of your traditional conveyor, you can move it wherever you need to, collision avoidance, any speed that you may need. And honestly, I think that's where we are headed. And we always want to be on the cutting edge of that. So if you have any interest in this product, please reach out to 1BMG and we will get you talking to the right people.